Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add ghost lamp effect in CapCut. For example, I'm going to add ghost lamp effect in this clip and how to just click effect at the bottom and then you can click body effect, so you can find ghost lamp effect in Halloween and select ghost lamp. So we can adjust for atmosphere like this and then range and colors and then texture like this. Click OK and you can adjust for duration like this. So here we go. That's how to add ghost lamp effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share and also subscribe, and you can click text button for appreciate and initial your time. Thank you.